Hello and welcome to the next episode of No Cuts. आज हमारे साथ है Dr. Megha Nagpal, who makes us all look really beautiful. She owns a clinic in Paschim Vihar by the name of Mellowcare Wellness, and she is a master's in dentistry.
Yes.
And she's a mastered in esthetician.
Yes, facial aesthetics.
Facial aesthetics. So we all want to know that how did you start this profession? Because I'm sure when you were in school, you mustn't have thought about कि मुझे बड़े होके ये बनना है.
Yeah.
So how did this journey start?
I think parents always wanted कि मैं doctor पढूं, do medicine and everything, and I wasn't so intrigued about the concept of science. I was more into literature. I write books. I've actually written books.
Oh.
But then I actually happened to score good. So my father always said, नहीं जो अच्छे marks लाते हैं, how parents
yeah.
are, you have to become a doctor, but not MBBS. So I thought थोड़ा light होगा, let's get to dentistry. But after dentistry, I got a scholarship. After my graduation, I went to London. There I saw this concept of fillers and Botox, and it fancied me too much.
Yeah.
कि how can a dentist do this? Because India में ना ये concept इतना था. I myself was so young, a fat nerd who hardly went into something to be done on the face.
Yeah.
But then when I came back, I said, no, I have to do masters and then go back there again. So my journey started very early. And then I did to my other masters in California. Then I went to Sweden, I practiced.
Wow.
And then in Dubai, and then I came back
So
to
you are a
India.
well-traveled girl, huh?
Yeah.
So my
Absolutely.
next question, actually was जब मैं questions write कर रही थी तो मेरा question यही था कि आपके parents क्या चाहते थे कि आप क्या बनो? As you said, your parents wanted you to become a doctor.
Yeah, they wanted. Yeah, but
So
not this kind of doctor.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. My father wanted me to become either a sports person or a doctor, and
Nice.
sports though not
नहीं
possible.
नहीं हो पाएगा. So then you became a doctor.
Yes.
Okay, great. So first dentistry happened.
Yes.
And then you became a master's.
In facial aesthetics.
Okay,
Yes.
great. And when did you come to India? And कब आपने अपना clinic शुरू किया? What was the first step that you took, towards forming the clinic that you have, or making clients?
Yeah, I think it just happened. I was a teacher in Abu Dhabi. I was teaching permanent makeup and learning myself from India, from
So you,
Sweden.
are you a makeup artist also?
No, permanent makeup. That
permanent
also come in aesthetic. The permanent brows, the permanent
yes,
lip
yes,
tint,
yes.
the permanent blush. So there,
I'm very bad with the technical terms, हाँ तो ये सीखना पड़ेगा. Permanent makeup का
and I try
मतलब
to
सुन लो
use
क्या होता है?
less. Permanent makeup is something that stays even when you wash your face. Makeup रहता है. So that's permanent makeup.
So the lashes.
Eyebrows. Yeah, the lashes also. Not the permanent lashes, the lifts. So you have a permanent mascara effect on your eyes.
Okay.
Yes.
And the lip tints are a part of it.
Like people smoke a lot in foreign countries.
Right.
Comparatively, India में अभी कम है. तो वहाँ ये concept बहुत पुराना है. Kardashians brought all this way too early. तो तब मुझे किसी ने बोला कि why don't you go back? Then my father met with a heart attack. So he is very protective. He said, अब तू आ जा. So I think it's just been a journey of 3 years or something when I've been in India.
Okay.
And I started with it, and then I met some really good bloggers who made me realize Instagram
Is the shit.
Yes, it is. And then they told me, why don't you let people know that you're very much aware, और
Yeah.
वैसे भी दिल्ली में aesthetics और dermatology बहुत confused concepts हैं.
Absolutely.
So and then how it started, and I'm blessed.
Wow, man, that is amazing. I think she's gone to London, Sweden, Abu Dhabi, and
California. My major was done in Beverly Hills.
okay. So you've gathered all your knowledge from all these places,
Yeah.
and now you are imparting the
Yeah.
knowledge to all of us.
Yes.
And taking the facial aesthetic game strong.
Yes, too strong. Yeah.
Yeah. So that
Basically, in layman terms, as you say, I should use layman term.
Yeah.
I'm an anti-aging doctor.
Oh,
A doctor
superb,
that
superb.
believes in fillers, not filters.
सुपर. तो अब जैसे आपने बोला कि इंडिया में ये प्रैक्टिस इतनी कॉमन नहीं थी, बट अब all
common.
it's extremely common. I feel all the influencers and bloggers that I see on Instagram have got lip fillers done.
Yeah.
It is so bloody common now. But if we talked about 5 years back,
It wasn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Why? How?
how?
You should answer this. It's an HD world. Everything is so close and up close in front. And I think जैसे हम इंस्पायर होते हैं ब्लॉगर्स से, ब्लॉगर्स इंस्पायर होते हैं इंटरनेशनल ब्लॉगर्स से, बिकॉज एवरीबडी गेट्स इंस्पायर्ड फॉर देयर कंटेंट.
I feel even any trend, if you talk about any trend, वो शुरुआत इंटरनेशनल ब्लॉगर से ही होता है. Be it makeup artist, I feel
Clothes.
हाँ clothes.
Yeah.
Makeup artists were not जो आज की टाइम में हमारे जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं
so
Delhi
good.
के,
They've really
yeah, they've
gone to
upped their
another level.
game,
Yes.
and they were not, you know, looked in a certain manner what they are.
Now they are looked
Yeah.
upon. Yeah, and they're very hardworking. I
Yeah,
must
they
say.
are. They are.
They handle more tantrums than I believe I do. So yes. So that's how nowadays our time ladies were in their own close cocooned group.
राइट.
अब लेडीज बहुत सोशल हैं. आप सोशल हो. आपकी वजह से शायद अब आपकी मदर सोशल हो गई हैं.
ट्रू.
तो अब ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एज ग्रुप 25 है. अब एज ग्रुप 50 भी है जो उस एज ग्रुप के साथ है जो बहुत ज़्यादा सोशल है. सो आई थिंक इंस्टाग्राम इज अ वेरी गुड good way for mine actually business to grow because लोग यहीं से ही कराना चाहते हैं और यहीं से ही देखकर हमारे पास आते हैं.
Superb. So now I want to know the difference between a lip filler and a
Botox. Yes. Very simple.
हाँ, simple language में समझाओ.
फिलर जो कोई भी चीज को फिल करता है. बोटॉक्स जो आपके रिंकल्स को वैनिश करता है. तो जैसे अब आप बात कर रहे हो और थोड़ी थोड़ी लाइंस आती हैं.
हाँ.
ये फिलर नहीं गाएगा, यहाँ बोटॉक्स लगेगा.
तो यहाँ पे जो
छोटी छोटी ये लाइंस आती हैं. these wrinkles when
so I feel all these actors also must be getting this done.
yes absolutely I think they are getting it done since ages. what makes you think 50 पे वो young है?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि even a middle age woman or a man would also get it done because when you frown you get too many lines here.
yes
and that doesn't look good on
and camera yes absolutely true that. so that's Botox.
मुझे लगता
and
है मुझे कराना
something that
पड़ेगा.
fills like the lips, the cheeks, the chin, the jawline, all these are fillers जो किसी चीज को fill करता है.
तो separate lip filler, chin filler, cheeks filler,
face filler,
face filler,
jaw filler, neck filler, there's so many. Ass filler,
ass filler.
Yes.
Wow. So all these people like Rihanna and Shakira, all these people have really nice booties. तो ये भी कराते होंगे.
absolutely both injectables और machinery भी. अब मशीनरी भी ऐसी आ गई है जो स्कल्प्ट कर देती है आपकी बूटी को. सो ज़रूरी नहीं आपको इंजेक्शन लगवाना पड़े. द टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ एडवांसिंग सो मच कि मशीन्स भी आपको एकदम ऐसे नाइस आप इतना लूज करते हो. सुहानी आई मीन आई रियली गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय यू. सो यू नो ना सर्टेन पार्ट्स डोंट टोन, सो दोज मशीन टोन योर पार्ट. So that is also aesthetics.
So now the major question, how expensive it is. Is it economical? Everybody can get it done, the masses can get it done, or you need a lot of money for this?
Actually I opened the clinic on a mantra luxury for all.
Okay, nice.
Nowadays I'm sorry there is something called EMI. So nothing is costly and
Superb.
जितना आप अपने बालों पे खर्चते हो उतने में लिप फिलर हो जाता
है ना.
Yes.
हाँ. So
Yes.
I feel that everybody spends shitloads of money on their hair and makeup.
Yes, I mean there's a vast difference between Lakme and Fenty Beauty.
Right.
तो आप समझ जाओ कि yes everybody can get it done. It's not that costly.
Okay, so because we were talking about कि ये जो चीज़ है ये 50 साल की women भी करा सकती हैं. Men I've seen men coming in your
yes, the
clinic.
ratio is pretty much 40-60.
That's amazing because I feel that men जो होते हैं वो बड़े carefree होते हैं और उनको अपना सिर्फ बालों का होता है और बाकी वो किसी चीज़ के बारे में केयर नहीं करते हैं.
नहीं, you're wrong.
Yeah, I am.
The jaw lines, कार्तिक आर्यन ने जो ये नया ट्रेंड शुरू किया ना कि वैसी jaw line चाहिए. So I think I have major jaw line patients as
आपके पास ऐसे लोग आते हैं कि मुझे ऐसी jaw line चाहिए and they get fillers done here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I wouldn't lie,
crazy.
even I have one. I had a very, I can show you my pictures before and after. I had a square face. I was 110 kgs. So just done a very natural. एक तो ये myth है ना कि प्लास्टिक हो जाओगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है डार्लिंग. I have fillers also, I have cheeks also, I have chin also.
So अब ये बताओ कि आपने क्या क्या करवाया हुआ है.
Yeah, I have got my this lifted a little.
Okay.
Because I was round.
Okay.
So I had to sculpt my face. A little chin.
Okay.
Just lifted my cheeks and just a little in my lips. I had no lips. Like no lips. But I don't like duck. I wouldn't call the term duck is also wrong. बहुत confidence चाहिए वैसे bold lips carry करने का लोगों के पास है.
होते हैं.
I think because of my height, my petite figure, I like these lips. But yeah, these are also fillers. So fillers are not plastic.
Man, I really want to see your picture, which was, probably.
I would.
Yeah,
I will
please,
do that.
please share it with us.
Yeah,
because
you
I
can
really
even
want to
post
show-
it. I don't mind that.
Oh, super,
Yeah.
super.
I'm
Because
very vocal.
That's how we'll get to know the difference. कि
Yes.
एक इंसान पहले कैसा लगता था and after fillers वो कैसा लगता है.
Absolutely.
Wow, man, that's great. That takes a lot of confidence to say it on camera. हाँ, मैंने करवाया है. But honestly, that's a profession.
Yes,
so,
it is. And nowadays, ladies are also very open, I must say.
Right. So we were talking about women who are 50 years and up, तो उनकी जो स्किन होती है वो बहुत ही सैगी होती है.
Yes.
एंड ऑनेस्टली आवर मदर्स दे वर वेरी कैजुअल अबाउट इट. हाँ है तो है, देख लेंगे, कोई फेशियल नहीं कराना, ब्लीच मत कराओ बच्चों, वैक्सिंग भी मत कराओ. आई थिंक आई गॉट माई वैक्सिंग डन व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज. आई गॉट माई आईब्रोज डन इन सेकंड ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज.
Okay.
या माई मदर्स लाइक कुछ नहीं लगवाना, केमिकल. वो तो हेयर कलर पे भी गुस्सा करती थी. तो अब विमेन आर सो पर्टिकुलर अबाउट हाउ दे लुक, एंड अगर किसी की सैगिंग स्किन है तो उसको हम कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें डालेंगे फिलर्स बोटॉक्स के अलावा. लाइक द एस्थेटिक वर्ल्ड इज बियॉन्ड जस्ट फिलर्स, जस्ट बोटॉक्स. नंबर 1 is diet. Number 1. Number 2 is the treatments, as in the products you use by yourself. Number 3 comes my role. तो हायरार्की में नंबर 3 नंबर मेरा है, मगर लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि ट्रीटमेंट से आप ठीक हो जाओ.
करेक्ट.
Drink lots of water.
Yeah.
Put lots of sunscreen.
Yeah.
You have a base, a canvas ready where my artist like me can paint.
Right.
So for that, not just the injectables, vampire facial, the
Yeah, I've seen
PRCs,
that.
HIFU, just a machine that lifts you. Then we give some supplements like हमारी mothers बहुत lack करती हैं, like specific amount of supplement, like glutathione नहीं खाती, omega नहीं खाती, fish oil नहीं खाती. It just comes up in your face within I think 2 months. And if you combine all of them together, तो बड़ा ही प्यारा glow आता है.
So like you said कि sunscreen is the must. तो
Must.
तो ऐसी कौन सी sunscreen है which you would like to recommend to any age?
This is what is wrong.
Okay.
Yes, we shouldn't. Age group, skin type और skin texture पे vary करता है.
Okay.
The most good ones I can suggest is Bioderma, Avene, SkinCeuticals, Aderma, and in Indian weather, La Shield and Suncross.
Okay.
These are like
So La Shield and Suncross do you get in India?
yes, absolutely. We get everything in India nowadays.
Okay.
कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है.
हाँ.
Indian weather के हिसाब से La Shield and Suncross are made in India.
And
but
these
they're-
two are the brands that I'm hearing for the first time.
Really?
Yes.
La Shield?
Yes.
Oh my, that's
So Avene and Bioderma.
something I believe you
हाँ,
must be using.
yeah.
Yes.
But these two I didn't know about.
they're very
them.
good. They're very good.
Okay, so अच्छी knowledge
Take a
मिली
note,
है.
yes.
Now, I feel that there are some people like me who are extremely petrified to get injections on their skin,
I get it.
on their body. तो अगर इंजेक्शन मेरे पास वैसे भी आता है ब्लड टेस्ट लेने के लिए या नीडल कोई भी पास आती है तो मुझे डर लगता है.
है ना?
तो मैं अपने स्किन पे लगाने से पहले आई वुड probably think 1,000 times before getting it done.
An injection.
Yes. So what do you have to say and what do you have to आप क्या बोलोगे उन लोगों को जो डरते हैं?
There is no cure of डर. बट डर ज़्यादा है और एक्चुअली दर्द कम है.
दर्द कम है.
बी वेरी लॉजिकल. वाई वुड आई कॉल अ पेशेंट और उन्हें मैं दर्द दूंगी? हम नम कर देते हैं तो उसके बाद मैं आपको 10 थप्पड़ भी मार दूंगी ना, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा. वो जो नीडल का एक फियर है, दैट इज़ अ फियर. वो आता है मगर जब लगता है तो यू सब ये पूछते हैं डॉक्टर मेरे का हो गया, लाइक यू डन, यू जस्ट फील आई हेल्प यू लाइक दिस ऑफ कोर्स लाइक सम दिस इज देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रेशर एंड पेन.
Yeah.
वो प्रेशर होता है जो
And
हमें
there is absolutely no pain?
yes, certain therapies might have a little trigger. क्योंकि किसी का पेन थ्रेशोल्ड बहुत ज़्यादा है, किसी का बहुत कम है, बट इट्स नॉट पेनफुल. हम कभी कोई पेशेंट वापस ही नहीं आएगा अगर दर्द होगा तो.
Right.
Numbing creams are magic. They numb you.
Okay, so Megha, you own a clinic in Paschim Vihar.
Yes.
So I feel if somebody is staying in Noida or in South Delhi or in Gurgaon, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा tricky है पश्चिम विहार आना. So what are you doing next for the people who stay a little far from Paschim Vihar?
Yes, we are coming in South Delhi.
Ooh.
So it'll be a little easier for the Gurgaon people and the South Delhi people. But touch wood, I'm even blessed because कोई अपने face से risk नहीं लेता कि वो कहीं भी चले जाएं to get the fillers done. But yes,
Right.
जो छोटी therapies होती हैं, laser, face therapies, वो थोड़ा दूर है.
Right.
West Delhi actually is a little extreme to the rest of the Delhi.
Right.
But yes, we are very, very soon, in couple of months, I believe,
You're coming
opening
to
up in South Delhi. Panchsheel
Melakoya
Park.
Wellness will be
Yes.
there in South Delhi as well.
Yes, it
Yay
will
to
be.
that.
Touch wood.
Okay, great. So now the next question, which I feel all the brides should listen to. Supposedly, I'm getting married in July 2021.
Okay.
तो जो अपने pre-bridal services लेते हैं from salons and everywhere, bleaches, facials, waxings, आपको लगता है that your salon, your clinic can, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, your clinic can, give them all those services in lieu of the salon services?
Absolutely. We have pre-bridal services. We even have body polishing.
Okay,
There's only one
great.
thing which we don't have is we don't use hands. we use the lesser fans. Only nurses can touch you or a doctor can touch you. Rest everything is done by machine. Like we wouldn't remove your blackheads, but we have a machine that will do that.
Superb.
So we take care कि आपके muscles कहाँ हैं, आपके muscles की orientation कहाँ है. And number one thing which I really want to mention, bleaching is the worst you can do to your skin. It's like sitting in sun for 12 hours. That 2 minutes bleach. So please don't do. Either go for laser or even do a razor, but don't go for bleach. It's that bad.
Razor, I feel so. Let me talk about myself.
Yeah.
I've tried using razor on my face, and honestly, you know, all the bloggers and influencers says कि आपका skin hard नहीं होगा, hair hard नहीं होगा, but हुआ.
Absolute. Color भी dark होता है, thick भी होता है, because अब रेजर के बाद लेजर नहीं करा रहे. अगर आपका लेजर सेशंस चल रहे हैं तो रेजर करना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स हमारे ब्लॉगर्स दिखाते हैं बिकॉज सब लेजर ले रहे होते हैं. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दो बुरी चीज़ों में से ज़्यादा बुरा क्या है, वो है ब्लीच. या वैक्सिंग, ब्लीचिंग आर द वर्स्ट.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And now comes the last question. Second last.
Yes.
कि अगर so I feel in puberty बहुत लोगों को एक्ने होता है, पिंपल होता है और वो जाता ही नहीं है. I think that is the most जिद्दी thing in our body which doesn't go. So उसके लिए what is the one therapy that you can suggest or the one service that you know your clinic gives जो कि उसको enhance करने के लिए,
एब्सोल्युटली
खत्म करने के लिए.
आई थिंक हम लोग ना गायनी के पास जाते ही नहीं. एक पता नहीं एक हिच है.
बिल्कुल है.
हर रीजन पे यू गो टू अ डर्मेट. ऑफ कोर्स स्किन डिजीज डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट इज द राइट प्लेस टू गो.
राइट.
बट एक बेसिक चीज होती है, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट पॉपिंग इन मेडिसिन इज टू कीप योर पोर्स क्लीन. कईयों के पोर्स बंद होते हैं और 90% एक्ने पेशेंट्स के पोर खुले होते हैं. तो वी हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड एंटी एक्ने FR थेरेपी, जिसमें हम पोर्स क्लीन करते हैं थ्रू लेजर एज वेल एज हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी. So I think वो बहुत अच्छा है. But number one thing is your gut and your hormones that have to be in space. Stress which has to be in space and drink lots of water. I think हर चीज़ की रेमेडी. Wrinkles नहीं चाहिए, पानी पियो. Acne नहीं चाहिए, पानी पियो. सुंदर लगना है, पानी पियो. Yes. So I think you're good to go. बहुत ज़्यादा फस है because acne आता है ना, हम stress बहुत लेते हैं. And I still get acne. I'm 30 plus. I turn 31 now.
Yeah, same
and
here.
I still get acne.
Even I do.
Especially on my days. But that's how the hormonal disbalance works.
Right.
But when you have it, tend to clean it ASAP. Because जितना ज़्यादा acne लंबा रहता है वो scar छोड़ देता है. That is what you then go for treatments.
Right.
Acne आता है उसको ठीक करो by cleaning yourself.
Right. So मेरे साथ क्या होता है, the moment I leave sugar, my acne goes.
Absolutely.
And the moment I have like मीठा, मेरा acne वापस आ जाएगा.
Oil, cholesterol, sugar and milk, the lactose products. Yes, उन सबसे acne बहुत trigger होता है.
Okay guys, I hope that this session was extremely informative. Now comes the last question. Megha, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? आप 2 clinic तो आपके हो ही जाएंगे in the
Yes.
next 2-3 months. But
Yes.
where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I wouldn't say that I want to open chains of Mellowcare.
Yeah.
There's one thing which I really fancy is that I'm at present also practicing, like teaching in Dubai.
Superb.
But I'm working for 3 countries license. That makes me have PR of those countries as well as stay there.
What?
So, yes. So I am cleared 2 levels for it, and I would like to clear it ASAP.
So PR of which
I
countries?
love Dubai. I think I can live Dubai anytime. Canada and UK. So these 3 countries.
Man.
But I love India.
Yeah.
So I'll stay in India, but I would like to prosper there as well and bring those techniques थोड़ी जल्दी एज कम्पेयर कि इंडिया में थोड़ा स्लो आता है चीज़ें, पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है इंडियंस कभी पीछे नहीं रहते. सो आई वांट टू ब्रिंग दोस थिंग्स टू इंडिया. But I want to live in India. I love India.
Wow, that's great. So on that thought, we'll take a leave and thank you so much for watching this episode of No Cuts with Dr. Megha. Ta-da! Oh wait! I always forget this. Always.
So this is the good part.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.